Hello guys, welcome back to Avinash Galam Gang 7, and today we are gonna be solving the 3 by 3. So this is the 3 by 3, as you see, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. So that's why it's called the 3 by 3s, and there's the centers, and as you see here it's all scrambled, and you see all the centers are fixed at the same position. And first you need to build a cross. For that you can just look at where the white pieces are. So as you see here, there's the red and the white piece. So where does that go? That goes here with the red. So what you do is get this piece up just by turning it. So then you rotate it twice. Then you see the red is solved with the white. Next is the green. Its green is like left side of it, so you just turn it once and twice and just turn it up, and as you see here, the red and the green has been fixed. The red is there, white and green. So next is the blue one, as you see here, so it must go there. When you keep it up like that, it doesn't work, so you need to turn it once up. Now blue, red and green is solved. Next is the last, which is orange. So the orange is at the bottom, I mean the white is at the bottom for the orange, and you just turn it up, and you see the orange, the green, the blue and the red are solved with the top white cross. So now you need to do the corner pieces. So now I'm going to be showing you the beginner method, not the advanced method. So as you see here, the white is there and it has a green and a red, so it must go there. So you just do this, and you see the corner is solved, and the same over here too, and that corner solved. Now it's on the opposite side, so you just do this, turn the left part and the bottom and up, and you see here the first layer is complete. And now for the second layer, and you see here there's blue and orange, so it must come here. So let's see one example. You need to get that green and red piece over there, so do this formula. So you see there the green and red piece is solved. So let's check another. Oh, there's a green and orange piece, so it must go the opposite side. So just do the opposite of the formula, turn it that, and you see the red, the orange, the corners are solved. And now the blue and red, do the opposite formula like before. And now the last one is the blue and orange, so you just do the same formula like the first one, not the second one, because the second one is for the opposite sides. So as you see here, it's solved the two layers. So now there's many cases for this, like the dot, the line, the cross. So let me just show you even the L, but this is not the L, so it's gonna be like the top part and this. So first let me show you. If you get a line or anything, you just do one single formula which is gonna make that line into an L. Okay, first you need to make it into a L. Even if it is a dot, you can just make it into an L, so by using this formula. As you see here, it just became an L. So again do that formula and you got a cross. So as you see here, there's two yellow dots and a single yellow dot over here, even a single yellow dot over here, but don't consider that, and you keep this as your front and do this formula. So as you see here, we got the cross and a dot pattern, which is the final step for this. So as you see here, we got the correct one, so it got matched like that. But sometimes you get a twisted part, like it's gonna be over here, the yellow, but it's gonna be fine. Let's just use this formula. The top part is solved. So as you see here, the corners of this is solved too, so which is very important for that. So as you see here, the red corners are solved. So keep this as a side and do this formula. So as you see here, the corners are solved and even the red face is solved too. So now you need to keep the opposite side of red, which is solved. Solved side should be opposite to your unsolved side. So as you see here, you turn it and you get the orange piece because it must go there. Get that bottom, up and turn the top and down 2 times, and your cube is solved. So as you see here, I'm just gonna scramble it once and show you a little, like, not the fastest but by normal speed, like how I taught you. You just can solve it like that and you can get the speed. So if you learn the advanced method, which I'm gonna be teaching you after 1 or 2 videos, it's gonna be more easy. You can just solve it like in 20 seconds, 10 seconds. So let me just show you the beginner method solving. So just keep it aside, just check once where the whites are to make the cross. So I just checked the whites, so let's solve. Now the corners, I'm doing the advanced corners. And the second layer is complete. I got the cross, I mean the line, and now the L, and we get this pattern too, but don't worry, you just do what I'm doing. So as I told you, the dot came, let's do the same formula and you can get the dot on your front. Oh nice, it got solved automatically. Yeah. Now we'll solve the red side because it's the opposite of the orange, and the cube is complete. So see you guys in the next video and more tutorials on other cubes. So bye guys and have a great day.